Hey everybody, welcome back. This is George, Florida Railroad Dog from the Roman Nico Railroad. And want to thank all my subscribers, the new ones and the old ones. Thanks for all your support. And I got something special. I wanted to change an area of my layout that I wasn't too happy with. There's waterfronts in Florida. There is no lumber companies in Florida, so I decided to get rid of the lumber yard, if you will, and I'm gonna make a waterfront. And this video is gonna show you. This video is part one of my. I'm gonna have like a dock with an oyster business. Hope you enjoy it. Here we go. Part one. Here's a bird's eye view of the area I'm gonna be modifying. I built this area up with 1-inch foam board, which I cut and scribed on the outer edges to make it look like rock, and then the inner section where the water's gonna be, the dock, I cut it out, painted it, and then build the retaining wall out of balsa wood. I then went ahead and placed it in the area and screwed it down. I don't glue anything, I always screw the foam board down. Then using white spackling paste, I went around the edges, making sure to cover everything up to hold the water. Next step is painting, putting some rocks and ground cover. And then I went ahead and used Woodland Scenics ready water, and then I use Woodland Scenics ripple effects, and then painted it to make it look like waves with the white paint. I went ahead and got this Bar Mills kit, and I'm basing it off Abe Booth and Company oyster packers of a 19th century boxcar that I have. After painting it, weathering, and adding lights, I went ahead and put it on. The layout in it looks really nice. I love the way it came out. Here's some pictures with the lights, street lights from different angles. Part two is gonna be on the actual building once it comes in. I got it from FOS Models. Once it comes in, I'll build it and complete this project. Well, there she is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, click the little bell button. Hey, happy railroading. Bye.